Dr. Ryan Smart, sports medicine and shoulder surgery at Syracuse Orthopedic Specialists. Grew up in Western Pennsylvania, small town called Meadville, PA. It's kind of been a few years, but went to high school, then went to Cornell University. Then I did my med school at the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor, which is a lot of fun. And then I did my residency at Yale, which is Yale New Haven Hospital. And that's 5 years of kind of being an apprentice. And then after that, I did a 1-year fellowship at New England Baptist Hospital in Boston, which was the sports medicine, which is really arthroscopic surgery. I tell people, it's like, yeah, it's sports, but a lot of the surgery we do is arthroscopic. And then going back to the shoulders, there was a woman in my fellowship that did a lot of shoulder replacements. So for me, I happened to get that experience in my fellowship. So when I got here with SOS, I felt comfortable doing them. And that's kind of even how I started down that path. Because a lot of sports medicine fellowships won't necessarily you won't have almost any exposure to joint replacement. And then from there, and then that was 2009 when I finished, and then 2010, I moved to Syracuse. So my dad is a retired orthopedic surgeon, so growing up, what always struck me about him, and I think his partners, I always remember him talking about, like, it's a very satisfying medical field, because some medical fields are tough. And in orthopedics, for the most part, you help people, you fix them, they get better, and then they move on. Rather than, say, treating chronic disease, which can be tough. You're treating diabetes and stuff. So there's a very high reward and satisfaction with orthopedics. But for me, it's knees, it's shoulders. Shoulders, it's like we talked about, the arthroscopic surgery all the way to replacements. So I feel like that's the only joint that I'll treat from beginning to end. Knees is more arthroscopy, meniscus surgery, ACL surgery, ligament surgery. I always find the modern sports medicine guy is somewhat the modern generalist. Active person tweaks their back, sometimes they'll come see us. They're not going to the spine surgeon. Or a young athlete hurts their hip, who are they going to? They're not really going to the hip replacement surgeon. So in the office, you see a wide a range of problems, most of which conservative treatment, rehab, medicine, they get better. Yeah, so I was in my residency in New Haven, Connecticut, and my wife was from Boston, so we were certain, that's why I did my fellowship in Boston, because we were thinking we were going to go to Boston and stay. And at that time in my life, our son was 2, and my wife was very, very pregnant with our twin girls. SOS actually had an ad in the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgery that I picked up and just emailed, Mike Humphrey, and started talking to him. I was like, oh, that's a really good group. Once we came up and visited and kind of saw what the job and they're in the place to raise kids and the quality of life. I think all of us that live here know that. It's not, you're not really sitting in traffic. You're getting from A to B, and it's just easier kind of living, and certainly cheaper too than the big cities. So that's kind of how we ended up coming. My hobbies, I'm getting older now, so I basically play golf. Probably my biggest hobby is over the last 12 years is coaching. I coach my kids in hockey. We're a big ice hockey family, and it's been really rewarding. Just to have that influence in kids' lives. I've always said if somebody ends up good at hockey, it's because they're meant to be. It's like, but for me, it's more the the life lessons, and you can work really hard, and the ref makes a bad call and you lose, and that's the way it is. And so that's hard to replicate. For me, especially as I've gotten older, I guess it's my other hobby is my family, just spending time, because you only get them once. So.